Hello, in this session we are going to discuss another problem on area by double integration for polar coordinates. So let us see the question first. So the question says find by double integration the area lying inside the circle and outside the cardioid, which is given, like both the equations are given. So as per that we need to find the area enclosed here. First of all, of course, we can see that both the curves are polar curve. Curve 1 is circle, which is r equal to a sine theta. Curve 2 is a cardioid, which is r equal to a times of 1 minus cos theta. So let's try to understand the common area or enclosed area here. So the first curve, this one, which is r equal to a sine theta. This is a sine theta. And the second curve, which is this one, r equal to a times of 1 minus cos theta. This is supposed to be a, this is supposed to be 2a. Okay, now the area lying inside the circle and outside the cardioid. So outside the cardioid, of course, like if you talk about outside the cardioid, this thing, like outside this is the inside part of cardioid. So outside this, all this area comes into this outside. Whereas they're also looking for inside the circle. So if you talk about inside the circle, maybe inside the circle is going to be something like this. So the area common, so of course you can see the common area is going to be this one, this thing, right, like that. So with that understanding, basically what we are looking for is this area. This is the region which is inside the circle but outside the cardioid. Now we can see that for, like, in terms of angle, if you see, this angle is going to be between theta equal to 0 to pi by 2, of course in radians. Also if you talk about the radius variation, then you can see that like any of the radius is going to be like this. So the lower limit is going to be uh, a times of 1 minus cos theta, whereas the higher limit is going to be a sine theta. So as per that, between these interval of theta to equal to 0 to pi by 2, let us try to find this area. Area enclosed is going to be a, so polar coordinate, so r d theta. Now this theta, like already discussed, varies from 0 to pi by 2, and this r varies from a times of 1 minus cos theta to a sine theta. So as per that, r equal to a times of 1 minus cos theta, a sine theta, theta from 0 to pi by 2. That's it. So we need to integrate this to find the area enclosed. So first of all, first integration in terms of r. So r dr will become r square by 2 with the limits a times of 1 minus cos theta, and this is a sine theta. Whatever comes here should be integrated with respect to theta with the limits theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. So the limits 1 by 2 can be taken outside as a constant, and 0 to pi by 2, so r square, so that becomes a square sine square theta minus a square 1 minus cos theta whole square d theta. So this a square is also a constant common to both the terms, so I can take outside a square by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Okay, sine square theta as it is. Now this 1 minus cos theta whole square with a minus sign will give us minus 1 minus cos square theta and plus 2 cos theta. So this is whole of the expression in terms of theta, which you need to integrate and put the limits. Okay, so Few identities which might be helpful here. We know that cos square theta minus sine square theta is cos 2 theta. And what we have got here is sine square theta minus cos square theta. So that should be minus cos 2 theta. So just writing that part, minus cos 2 theta, minus 1 is already there, and 2 cos theta is also here. So all these terms need to be integrated with respect to theta from 0 to pi by 2. Minus cos 2 theta. So that will give us minus sine 2 theta by 2 minus theta and then plus 2 sine theta. The limits 0 to pi by 2 with the coefficient a square by 2. A square by 2. So for sine 2 theta, if you put pi by 2, so 2 theta will become 2 times of pi by 2, which is pi. So sine pi is 0, and 2 times of 0 will also be 0. So both the terms for sine 2 theta are going to be 0 only. So we can just keep it like 0 only. For minus theta part, it should be minus pi by 2. So 0 minus pi by 2. And for 2 sine theta, so for the upper limit sine pi by 2 will become 1, for the lower limit sine 0 will become 0, so that should be only plus 2. That's it. So if you want, of course, we can rearrange. Area is going to be a square by 2 2 minus pi by 2. This is fine, or if you required, if at all required, we can of course rearrange it, like we can take 1 by 2 inside, and then this may be written as 2 by 2 will become 1 and minus pi by 4. So this is also possible. So this is the area, anything is fine, as per depending on, like, if there is an option we can choose accordingly. So this is how we need to integrate or do the integration of double integration to find the area here for polar coordinates. I hope you understood. Thank you.